Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and environment so permissions can be changed correctly. Sign into the App Store and the device settings with the same Apple ID because mismatched accounts block prompt flows. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and the battery is above 20%. Low power or flaky network interrupts permission dialogues. If prompts still won't appear, restart the device to clear transient services and continue to the next configuration steps. Now you'll change the specific permissions that control the App Store prompt behavior. Open Settings and go to Privacy to see categories like Notifications, Location, Camera, and Microphone. Find the app and toggle the exact permission you need. Toggle Off then On to force a fresh system prompt, and then relaunch the app so it requests permission again. If the app uses in-app permission flows, make the request from within the app after you change its system toggles to ensure the prompt shows correctly. Finish by refreshing higher-level state when permission prompts remain absent. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh entitlements. This often fixes stuck prompts. If that fails, reset network settings or, if necessary, reset all settings. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi and preferences, so back things up. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall the app to force a clean permission request. Troubleshooting tip: if none of this works, collect screenshots and logs and contact the app developer for a server or entitlement issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.